No, tsaka naman siya, naman siya panggamit sa ano.
Put it down more.
Ang gahit naman ng lugkin ko. Hindi, nagpantay na. Ang roots na lang
How
nimo.
many minutes, madam?
Depends on,
Developing.
yeah, but always blender stop on 50 minutes.
This one will be resolved same like Ardilla. Small, small.
Yes. Look here, I put little, but up I will put more blender.
One of the
Because
technique. Now I know one of the technique to become Ardilla. That's to put oil.
Eh, ما في foil.
There's
And
one,
like low light.
Yes, low
Like
light.
low
Yes,
light.
it's low light.
بس هذا soft هيك
Ang
soft.
mga customer lang dili.
Here more.
Down part.
May mga satisfaction.
Hmm?
Mga customer dili.
Ay, lagi gusto yung ako din
No,
ang
the
kasabot.
customer also only know what they want, but they didn't know what the problem in their head. What they want, they want.
Pero one to get what they want. Pero ilang mga buhat. Powder dili. Tansyawi ko dahil dapat dala kag kwarto. Hindi Huna-huna. Kuha man gyud yung kagagawan mo yun. DIY pa mo. May gani ko nagutang din.
Nada, mahala ka. Kaya mga buhok mapurol.
For henna, you can make test, then baby lights. Not like this because that's لازم foil. But you have to check henna test.
Yes.
Because we have different type of henna. There is mineral henna, black henna,
Red
Brown.
and the
yeah,
green
especially
one.
in Al-Jubail. And katam.
So much struggle,
Katam
madam.
and cedar and everything.
Cedar. They said that cedar is it's okay
Henna.
for color. No.
They said henna and cedar.
Yes,
They
but
put
how many,
cedar.
but how many times I tried for henna? It's
Green,
same like
huh?
henna. Yes, madam.
I know.
That's why we have no paper right here. And before we go
Inshallah.
for the natural color, we do test.
Yes,
We do
لازم.
test.
Always test. Always you have to make test. For any customer.
But there's a customer, no, this what is coming is okay. But there's a customer, too much headache.